So at first, of course, I'm sitting there going, oh God, do I really want to do this? It's my last night of holidays. I could think of a million other things I could be doing. And at the end of it, I kind of went, okay, this really inspired me to keep going. But it's about, I think because a lot of unanswered questions or a lot of worries that I had, and that was part of the discussion that was coming out in the dialogue.
And it's everybody has the same.
Everybody. It's not just us sitting there going, where do you find the time? How do you start from just learning the tool to infusing it and using it and everything else? I think that really put me at ease last night, knowing that we are using the flip for what we need to, for transparency reasons. We do know that we're not in a school, so the TPAC teaching may be very different for us. Knowing that we can use that model to look at a professional development experience, and then looking at our action research. How are we going to change if our problem is delivery of services, meaning professional development delivery? If that's our big question, then we are totally on the right track with where we're going and what we're doing. So it's very exciting. It is very exciting. So, any questions that I may not have answered that might confuse me? I might try and answer them. I thought I took good notes last night as I'm going through it, going, oh my gosh.